Hey guys, Justin here, back with another video. This is a few days later because I realized during editing I did not make an intro, so I'm making it now. We went to Bell Helicopter and Alliance Airport for the Airshow. That was a few days ago. I'm going to be trying to edit this rest of it tonight. There's an announcement at the end of the video, so stay tuned for that about what's been going on, why I haven't been uploading, and stuff like that. So let's get into the video.
I can't even see if I got him on here or not.
I can't on mine. There we go. They're starting to break formation a little bit. Oh no, well, you're going to be able to see these. It is on a GoPro. Actually remembers that. Alright, we just got back from getting lunch for intermission and stuff like that in between flights. And right now there's an F-22 Raptor flying around, and I'll try to get some shots of that if I can. Some of these may not be able to come out perfectly, but I'm trying my best with this GoPro, but we should have some fun. I'll see you when we get back to our spot. Grab on front. Don't go into the sun. Alright guys, we're back at the house. Pretty much a few announcements. I have not been posting for a little bit because I've been working on my editor and all that. And there's been too much with weather. Glenn, I'm gonna hurt you. He's like messing with me inside the background. But we had fun today at the Airshow. I didn't get everything recorded because of the sun, or my camera was dying, or I was eating, but I got as much as I could. I will be trying to post more since now I've learned my editor a little bit more, but I'll see y'all next time. Bye.